So I've bought what may be the sexiest vehicle ever made. This is, well, it's a golf cart or something. It's an Aussie car, but judging by the sheer size of the rear diff and car shocks in this thing, I think it may well have been one of those airport thingies, the luggage mobiles or whatever they are. Comment down below if you know what they are, because I can't remember. I did air up the tyres yesterday, or some of them, the ones I could get to easily, and it looks like a couple of them have taken air. The other ones I will need to have a play around with and see. Obviously this thing has sat for a long time. It's covered in mould, nice big tears in the seat. Yeah, it's sat for a long time. You push the pedals and they go to the floor, and the brake doesn't stay there, but the throttle does. So I'll need to unseize them. I know it's a hydraulic disc brake at the back, that's weird, but anyway. So yeah, we're gonna go forward a bit, take this thing off and start digging into it, see if I can get all the tyres to hold, see if we can get it to fire up, and then of course a beautiful pressure wash to make this thing stunning again. Disconnecting the kill switch. Get in there and get some juice in it. That air filter, pre-filter is rubbish as always. Let's get something out. Something. Alright, let's dig into this carb. I'm going to throw it in the vise simply because I don't care about whatever you want to say that vices are bad. You'll kill it and it'll never work again. It's fine. Alright, let's take this thing apart. Pretty simple carbs. Thankfully it's a Mikuni. I hate the cheapo kind of made ones. Mikunis, wow, that was straight varnish. Mikunis usually are pretty solid made. The float bowl is stuck on, which is not a good sign to start off. There we go. Alright, inside, wow, that is plugged solid. Right. Wow. Yeah, no, that's that'll be why it wasn't pulling fuel. Is that jet is well, there's no jet. It's just solid. Can't even find the hole for my screwdriver. Is that it? No. It must be. Oh wow. Yeah, someone's had a go at taking this out before us. I don't think that's going to come out. The the screw head on that jet is very stripped, so instead of taking it out, cleaning it out kind of thing, at least you would be able to see the hole then, but I think I'm just going to try and clean it out here. There we go. Stick some wire through it and do it this way. It's cleaning out, thankfully. Bring a lot of stuff out with it, and over time, with some fuel flowing through it, this varnish will probably soften up a little bit. It'll eat itself kind of thing, but that not fast by any means. Probably over a couple of weeks, couple of months with fuel in it, that'll soften up, and I think it will probably be fine. Alright, we get fuel about our pilot circuit. Pretty sure this is the pilot circuit here. From memory, maybe it's not. I can't remember. It's been a bit since I've actually done much anything on these style carbs. Alright, let's get some compressed air into it. Chop off that little what's left of that fuel line there too. There we go. She's off. Let's get some air in it. Alright, it's got some more fuel in there. I just bashed my head again. Got that carb back on, just not without the, not with the air filter at the moment, but it's just on there. So let's give this puppy another go. See what we get out of it. I believe the carb is flooding, cool. Start mode, so we're going to start. that choke off. Big up too, I should probably check the oil. Looks like there's heaps in there, coming out anyway, so there's obviously some. If you're leaking oil, you've got oil. But let's check it anyway. Just to be safe. Alright, let's try that. It either will have completely not worked or completely worked. Alright, I know it runs really well now. The electrical system is terrible, nothing works at all. And you haven't seen me ride it yet, but I did secretly, I will admit. While you weren't looking, I went out for a little ride. And it goes quite fine, pretty quick actually. But now I'm really interested to see how well this cleans up with a pressure wash, and I'm sure you will too, because it is just filthy. So I'm going to grab the pressure washer out, put it around over there, and we're going to clean it up and see how well it comes up. So you're probably wondering whatever happened to the little Aussie car, and well, I'm not really sure how much I actually videoed of it. Life was and still is, I guess, pretty busy for me. I used to do runs with it up to the top of the property and back to sell chainsaws when I had my broken wrist. And then I moved house and it made a feature at our annual work golf day out, albeit spruced up with some white rims, go fast stickers and fuzzy dice. There it huffed and puffed and blew smoke all over the course, outran the newer electric buggies and completed our golfer look. It even hauled all three of us plus gear around to truly prove itself as the ultimate form of transport. Eventually I sold it when I was trying to downsize, but I'll throw some photos and videos of it in, and I hope you guys enjoy. But as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time.